Hey guys, welcome back to another unboxing. Today I have something a little bit special. I'm going to do a few unboxings today, so keep an eye out for that. And I got these. These are the Under Armour sports mask. Right, I got it in the size XL/XXL, large XL, and a small/medium. Right, this is for my wife, and I got two for myself because I'm not sure in terms of the sizing. I've seen people say that it's a bit too big online. I've got a big face, I guess. So just to be safe, I got two of these for myself, and I think I'm going to unbox and try one of them. Maybe I'll go for the XXL one. All right, so it's a 3-layer mask. Comes with the ISO chill feature. Now, do take note that this is a non-medical face mask, as it's written right here. Non-medical face mask, but it is 3 layers, so take it for what it's worth. It's probably still going to help you filter out bacteria, which will lead to viruses and all that stuff. But it is non-medical, just to let you guys know. All right. Another thing curious about the packaging is that it's really nice, but for some reason the small medium one has the measurement here, the face measurement, but for the large and XXL ones it's just blank. Right, so it says here patent pending. I don't know for what reason, and you can check it out online. See what are the 3 layers, the functions right here. I know you can't see that. I got it for about, I think about $40 US. Yeah, and it sold out in a day. There were 2 batches that came out, July, I think June, July, and 1st of September. I got it on the 1st of September online, and it sold out within a day. There is no small, I think there was no small, extra small sizes. It's just small to XXL, so that's fine. I don't really want to damage the packaging, so let's try it out. So it's got that clip here, you know, so you don't have to tear it. And the other good thing about this is that, see, it just opens, you don't have to cut it. So there's just a sticker right in the middle, you peel it out, you're able to open it. So you can maintain the packaging for whatever reason, yeah. So this is what XXL. I hope both can fit so that I don't have to return them. Comes like that. It also comes with a carrying pouch, which is really cool. All right. Anything else in the packaging? Nope. Okay, so the mask and the packaging, right? It's got the label here, so you can put your name, the card, instruction guide, how to wear it. Yeah, it's nice. Right, it's got the tag here. Tie it up like that. So put your keys, your whatever not inside. It's pretty big. All right. Now, let's start with the mask, which coincidentally, I'm also wearing Under Armour mask. T-shirt. So on the inside, well, this is the front. You see the stitching right here. On the sides, I hope you can catch that, seriously. Under Armour branding, looks like it's light reflecting, as you can see right here. And on the inside, you got all that special stuff. It says here ISO Sportsmask, ISO chill, right there. It's got this tag inside, which I tend to, I'm gonna cut it off. And of course the sizing. Jeez, recording on my iPhone is a bit funny, direction is a bit off. Yeah, so the material on the inside is a little bit more silky, I guess. It's not heavy, but you can tell there's some girth to it. I would say girth. The sun is getting a bit too strong. Yeah, so let's try it on. So the straps here are very elastic, very thin, but I think it should last for quite some time. So apparently there's a iron, small little metal wire here that helps you form to your nose, which is good. And you know, I wear glasses, so foaming at the glass is quite common. I'll do a comparison soon between the bait mask, the Under Armour mask, and the razor mask, so you can see what it's like. But anyway, for the large, extra large, you can see there's still a bit of foaming. I think you can't really escape that. The size is just about right, but I think that if I were to use this for exercise, I think it will slowly fall off. All right, so that would probably mean that the XXL one might be a better choice, I guess. I can see that this could slip, all right? But so far, if I were to talk inside the mask, I don't think that would be a problem, because you see the bridge here, the material up here is a little bit different from this one. This one's a lot thinner. So if this one doesn't hang onto your bridge of the nose properly, it will definitely fall off, especially if there's sweat dripping from your, you know, down to your face. So this one is a little bit off, I think. So if you push it higher, of course, the chin will not be as covered as it should be. But you know what? As I'm talking, I'm not losing my breath. I'm not trying to catch my breath. Wow, it's pretty good. So first impressions between the razor mask, which is a certified mask, and this one, I seem to be able to talk a lot better without having to catch my breath. Cool, so I guess it works. Now it is 3 layers, so it's probably just as good as the razor mask, all right? Just put it out there. I mean, in my opinion. It's a professional opinion, but you know, it's unlicensed. So take it for what you will. Okay, so I'm gonna do another unboxing, XXL version, all right? Because you know, I'm all about comparisons. Now this mask is expensive, all right? 40 bucks for a mask, whew, it's expensive stuff, right? So this is the large / XL size. As you can see, it looks fine. It feels comfortable. I don't feel the straps at the back of my ears, which is good. I think the cotton ones are about the same type of treatment to your ears. The normal surgical masks, the blue ones, they tend to hurt over time. So if you're using this will probably be a very good alternative, more comfortable, definitely more breathable from first impressions. So this XL, XXL. Immediately I can tell there's more space. All right. Wow. Okay. Foaming still there. Let me pinch it a bit. Right. Okay. First impressions, this one fits a lot better than this one. For the size of my face, I've got a big head. I don't know whether it's relative. Probably it is. But I've got a big head. My cap size is about 7/7/8. This one is XXL size. And I think if you've got a big head, this will fit the best. All right. It fits perfectly over the nose. You don't feel that it's going to slip down. Underneath cover is very well done. Sides here are well covered as well. Foaming is minimal. Breathability, of course, is good because there's a lot more space between your mouth and the mask compared to this one for my face. And wow, I think this is the best size for me. Yep. Yeah. Even though I'm opening my mouth, I don't have that feeling that it's going to slip. But I do believe that if I do intense workouts, like so if it's an intense workout, I think it will still slip off. partly due to the root cause being this top layer here is of a more slippery kind of material. So if only this wiring was a little bit tighter or thicker, it wouldn't slip out so that much. Yeah, you can tell here my nose ends here. So because of this slippery kind of material, this smooth material here, I think with moisture, sweat, it will slip, but not as much because it's kind of blocked by the bottom portion here. And I like the form, you know, compared to the razor mask, because it's just a plain cotton mask and it doesn't have form, right? So with this one, it's already formed, it looks nice on the face, it fits very well. Whereas with the razor mask, you know, it just goes all over the place sometimes. So with this one, you can tell there's a good fit around the face, and that's what you want. And yeah, so the 3 layers, just quickly, the first part is where it's water resistant. So online it's been saying that good face mask should also be splash resistant. So this fulfills that criteria. The second part, of course, helps to let air through, so that moisture and sweat is easy to pass, and moisture, so you can breathe better, right? So on the inner part, which is the one closest to your face, which is the smoothest and that silky material, all right, so that's where it has that antimicrobial thingy that stops it from growing, that's kind of stuff. So that's pretty good. It's got the ISO chill feature. So immediately, you know, you can tell that this one is pretty good in terms of breathability, practicality. You know, you can use for all day walking and all that. So, but I think all masks are relatively going to be hot. So it's just relative, right? So if you get a thicker mask with many layers, it's going to be a lot harder to breathe than a mask which is 1 layer. But this one fulfills, to me, in my opinion, all 3 criteria to be a proper face mask that can protect you from all kinds of bacteria and viruses, aka viruses as well. And in the sun, probably it'll give you better ventilation, I would say. So yeah, looks good. I like it. Double XL if you got a big face, all right, or big head. The form is very nice. So I'm not too sure why people say that it doesn't really fit that well. The only problem now is foaming. I think it's relative. The air has to travel somewhere, I guess. So it has to be, you have to clip it really tight. That way it doesn't fog up the glasses. So anyway, hope you liked the video. Subscribe, comment, and all that good stuff. Follow me at IG at LKHOE23. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.